Do hair ties break your hair? I get asked this question all the time when my videos go viral of me doing hairstyles using little hair ties. Don't they break your hair? Or maybe you shouldn't be using them in your fine hair. Well, the answer is hair ties can break everybody's hair, not just fine hair, not just thin hair, everybody's hair. Obviously, if your hair is damaged and fragile, it's gonna break even easier, but anyone's hair can be broken by hair ties. But in general, as long as you put them in right, and don't overuse them, they can be used safely. Putting them in right means making sure that you're not tangling them when you're putting them in, making sure you have a clean section of hair, and as you're tying, you're not scooping extra hair through and making tangles. You are getting clean sections. So you can see there's all these little hairs nearby, and if you scoop those in, they're gonna get ripped on the way out. So as long as you put a hair tie in, it only go as tight as you need it. Now I could tie this hair tie a couple more times, but I don't need to for it to do its job. It's gonna stay where I put it. Obviously I didn't tie it very tight, but it's just easier to show you this way. And then you're just gonna slide it out gently. Or if you feel tugging when you go to slide out, untie it. If you use the little white or clear or black rubber hair bands like these ones are more likely to get stuck and tear your hair because of the texture of them. It can catch the hair more easily. But the same thing applies. As long as you put them in a clean section, you haven't got little hairs sticking up anywhere from parts of your hair that you're not meaning to tie, and you're making sure you take nice big swipes. Now see how there's some hair sitting here? We want to make sure we've cleared all of that out of the way before we tie the hair tie. Otherwise, it's going to get caught, and those are the hairs that are going to rip and get broken. Again, only tying it as tight as we absolutely have to, which is usually a lot less tight than you think. And you can either slide it out gently as long as you don't feel any tears. Now these ones aren't likely going to slide as easily, so you can either go in and start to untie them, or with ones like this, there's handy little tools called pony picks. You can grab one of those, you snag it, you rip it, and it comes out no problem, no tangles, no rips, no breaking the hair.